Hey guys! Loading up our Mikey kasi wala nang laman yung Mikey namin. Negative 4 yung nakalagay. Saan yung first stop natin?
Sarado na!
Ay, close na yung church. Yan yung simbahan, pero close na. So, paano yan? Di mo makaka-confess yung sins mo. So, while waiting for the other madam, we are going to walk around Chemist Warehouse. It's like, parang Watson's, yun yung Chemist Warehouse dito. Here we are. Guess where we punta kami ng Daiso. Saan tayo? Daiso?
Chemist and then Daiso.
Okay. Day and night na pimple patch. Ito, skin control. Maganda to. $9 eh. Where are we going?
Punta na doon sa Barkada. Habang magtingin-tingin sa mga daanan.
Okay, let's go. So guys, hindi talaga kami ganon always kumakain sa labas. Like, if lumalabas kami, wala talagang gastos, right? Yeah, kakain lang sa bahay nila. Pero like, here sa Australia, hindi talaga kami gumagastos ng grabe kasi super expensive. Kuripot kami dito sa Australia. Ilang minutes walk from station? Dito? Ka ng Pinay.
Mga 10.
Ang baho! We're here. Yan yung entrance ng Barkadang Pinoy. First, makikita natin is yung Aling Nena store. Guys. So, mag-order ako ng dalawang isaw S. Kasi S si daw.
Ganun ba? Ano yung X?
So, dalawang isaw S and then isang pork. We have sisig.
May information? Lagyan mo ba yung email?
Hindi.
How's your day? So, welcome to Boya Burger. Ito na lang best day ka ngayon. Ano? Ganap na ganap mo rin. Ate, ako. Sis. So, ko yung ano dito? Tofu.
So, yung fried tofu sa tofu.
So the tram is here. We're going back to Flinders.
Next tram.
Daming tao. Mag-walk na kami kasi 3 minutes walk lang ata eh, di ba?
3 minutes ba?
Ayun o. Anong 10? Nakikita mo?
10 minutes! Nilakad namin ito kanina.
Guys, ayun yung Flinders Station. Oo, may sasakyan.
Oo. Pango. Ay, may church dyan. Flinders na pala agad yan?
Yes. Call Santa for free.
Go.
Nag-ring.
Hindi daw siya. Help daw niya sa Santa.
Ay, puta. Ay, sorry. Hello, are you real? Real ba to?
Hello?
Hello, na siya. Hey, this is my sister Hailey.
Annoying sister.
We just finished school. Now, where are we? Where?
I don't know what this park is called. I call
It's
it Auntie Marcy Park.
Auntie Marcy's Park.
But we just call it that because it's on her street.
How was your school today? Show them your uniform. Your P. Ah! Haley, stop! No ice cream for you.
We don't
Ow.
have summit.
Haley, I want you to... Haley, stop. You almost killed me.
Are you scared of this thing?
I'm not scared. Hey guys, I just finished working. I'm on my way to Caitlin's house. Magka-car wash us because car is so dirty.
Magkano nga yung bayad?
I pay like $15 for a car wash. Yung ikaw mismo yung magka-car wash, pero yung automatic machine car wash nasa $17, right? Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go to the beach.
Saan? Wala, ang ganda.
There's too many people.